Ladies and gentlemen, Devin here with RDS Automotive Group. Today I am at the future home of Porsche of the main line. Strap your boots on and let's take a tour. The 86,000 square foot structure is adjacent to our current new and pre-owned dealerships in Newtown Square. We've recently connected all three buildings with a service drive to ease the flow of traffic throughout the campus. While it might not be much to look at now, this is our lower level, which will house our delivery stations and detail bays. The dedicated delivery stations create a comfortable, private space to pick up and review your new Porsche with your sales associate. This level will also have capacity for over 60 vehicles, in addition to the parking that will be available around our new service drive and lot, meaning we'll be able to service an even higher volume of customer and inventory cars. Now we're on the first level, which will be the hub of our operation. I'm currently in the showroom, which will showcase brand new Porsches all along overlooking Westchester Pike. In addition to the showroom, the first level will have sales offices and a service section in the back with over 20 bays. The entrance will take you immediately inside the atrium showroom. Upon entering, you'll find our service department and waiting room on the right and our sales representatives and fitting lounge on the left. I'm now on our service drive. It is much more accessible than the old setup, and it will have plenty of charging stations for all of our customers who have electric Porsche models, including a very special 320 kilowatt charger that will bring your Taycan from a 5% charge to an 80% charge in just 22 minutes. Now, let's head up to the second floor. Yeah, we're not going up there. Overlooking the showroom will be additional office space for our sales associates, marketing staff, and executives. At the center, we'll have just under 7,000 square feet to store parts for our technicians. And finally, you asked, we listened. Have a look at the level entry driveway. It's not paved yet, but you get the idea. I hope you guys are as excited about Porsche of the main line's new home as I am. Keep an eye on our social pages for any updates. Anyway, I gotta go clean up. I'll see you guys later.